Hello and welcome back. Okay, so now what I want to implement is I want to implement this saw. Okay, so we'll kind of move the saw in our game, something like here. It will move from here to here. It keeps moving. When player jump into it, it will throw it back, something like that for now. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's get it started. Let's create another scene with node 2D. Let's call it saw asset w. Let's add animated sprite because we have to show two state, right? Two animation like moving state and static state, something like that. Animated sprite. Let's create a frame animation. Click here. So in the image there is saw up so moving. Okay, so let's click these two and move it here. So if we play it looks good. Let's make it a bit speed. Okay, something like that. Too much. Okay, it's moving default. Let's set it to automatic or auto load. Okay, so scene items show. Okay, save it. So if we can place it in the game. Let's extend it a bit. Eraser is this eraser. We can erase it as well. Okay, let's add in the top as AW. Okay, we can run the project. Yeah, something like this. It looks good. What I want to do now is I want it to move to and forth, something like this. Okay, let's start with that. In the show, let's attach a script. Okay, so what I like to do is func move. We need that delta, access to that delta. Show us. Okay. Okay. Instead of moving this entire object, let's move this animated sprite and anything along with it. Okay. We can move anything, but yeah, we'll have collision detection in this this animated sprite as well. So okay, so we'll know when the direction of the movement. Okay, bar moving left is equal to false. Okay, so it will move right initially. Okay, if moving left, else, like what we can do is, okay, instead of moving this, let's move the entire object. Would be a lot easier. position that x plus is equal to, since we are moving right, position that x is equal to speed, we'll define that into delta. Okay, we have this delta here. Okay, and this speed, I'll like to export it so we can have custom speed whenever needed. Okay, export as p is equal to this 30. Yeah. Okay, now leaving its pulse. Initially it should move in right. Okay, it will keeps moving, so it will keeps moving right, so we have to define how much to the left or how much to the right it should move. Okay, so something like, let's add export bar max left 50 at the rate export bar max right is equal to 60, whatever. Okay, we'll edit in this direction. So, and if position that x is greater than max right, what we have to do is, let's set the position of x to max right, then I'll set moving left to true right, because now we reached the final position. We'll want it to move back. Okay, something like that. So to test it, let's make it a bit faster. Test to see to move. Yeah, it will stop. Okay, we haven't configured that part yet. So in the moving left, what we'll do is we'll subtract, and if x is less than max left, we'll set it to max left, because we're getting a positive number here. We have to kind of set it, it's in the negative direction, right? So moving left, it's set to pulse. Oops, I don't know, the app just crashed. Okay, let me open that again. Hope nothing was lost. Yeah, okay, something was, but and let's subtract it. Max left less than max left. Okay, yeah, let's in the label 0, let's check it on the label. What's happening? No, texture is null, parameter m is null. I'll check some of these. Okay, it's print screen. I'm not sure, but maybe. 0. Let's move this player a bit near here. We can lock it. Yeah. And play. Where's it? Let's check in the saw yourself then. Play this in. You should come back, right? Yeah. It's working as expected here. It's not visible at all here. Let's delete that and add it again. Play the scene. It's weird. Okay. Since we are moving the position, probably something to do with global position and yeah, most that. Okay, I think like when we are moving with zeros and ones, what's being happening is like we are modifying that value, right? So I think it will appear somewhere here in the 0th position. Yeah, okay, somewhere here. Yeah, so let's move this animated sprite. Okay, I just select it and control D, place control D again to select multiple, and let's move this player back to here and play. Yeah, it's working as expected. So, and yeah, another interesting thing about this is we have this variable here, so we can add this in this platform and just want it to move from here to here, something like that, and with a different speed. Okay, now we have to detect if the players enter. So, yeah, we have already done. Let's add area to the let's add collision, and let's add it sphere one. Okay, so also for the collision layer, let's hit to the items and interact with player, and that's it. Yeah, so when node body entered connect, so we are sure that this body will be player because it will interact with player only. Body dot hit, okay, we'll call it hit, and we'll define a function hit here. Okay, yeah, since I mentioned that I want to make the player bounce back in the direction they hit. Okay, if the player hit from this side, bouncing back to that side, and from here that side, we need to know the direction as well of the hit, so we can get that with direction is equal to, let's set it 1 if it's from right side, but if body dot is chalo pick up global position dot action, okay, is less body dot global position is less than our global position, the direction is -1, okay. And I can pass the direction here, so yeah, player will get the direction. Just print it for now. If we can light direction 1 will add and direction negative, okay, yeah, it's fine. Okay, that's it for now. So next what I'll do is I'll make this player jump away, and we'll add a different state. Like currently we have idle, we'll add the jump state, throw state, hit state, something like that in the next video, okay.